Hello and welcome to Excel Essentials. In this session, we'll be covering the COUNTIF formula. So the COUNTIF formula is a really useful formula when you need to count how many times an item appears in a specific range. Now you can use pivot tables to identify this, but you can also use the COUNTIF formula if you just want to double check the results as well. So here we have some data for some days of the week and their days and who is on shift. So let's say we need to find out how many times Giovanni and Tesla both have a shift. So here we'll use the COUNTIF formula. And then we need to select our range where we want to look up the amount of times that our value appears. So here we'll select column C, and that is our range. And then what we want to search in there is a cell with the text Giovanni in. And if we close that and hit enter, we see that comes up as 8 times. Now we can just double click and bring it down, and you can see it calculates the Tesla one automatically. Now we can also just hard code the text in. So if we change our criteria of E3, you can see now that I've selected it, you see the Tesla in speech marks. That is what we can hard code it as too. So if we do speech marks TESLA and close speech marks and hit enter, we get the same 9 value. Now if I change that to Giovanni, for example, you can see it returns the result of 8. Stay tuned for more Excel Essentials.